I look crazy. Oh, okay. Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see, I've got my full face on. So clearly we're not talking about something that's going to involve me putting more makeup on, but we're going to be talking about something that's going to involve me taking my makeup off. So today I've got a Bopper Flop review, and today's review I'm going to be talking about the Patrick Starrr One Size Beauty Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist, as well as the Go Off Juiciest Makeup Remover Wipes. So I picked up the miniature sizes of both products because these are kind of pricey, and if I don't like them, I didn't spend a lot of money and I could return them. Keep your receipts, folks. So the mist, I have here the mini size, which is the 2 ounce 67 milliliter size, and this was for $18. The larger size is the 3.4 ounce 115 milliliter, and that one is $24. For a makeup dissolving mist, that's actually pretty cheap on both ends of the mini as well as the larger size, because the Urban Decay makeup dissolving mist, I had bought that a few years back and I actually really liked it a lot. I just never talked about it on my channel. That one was like $36, $34. So $24 and $18 for a makeup dissolving mist is actually not a bad price. And I have here the miniature size of the wipes, which were $8. This comes with 10 7x10 wipes, whereas the larger size comes with 21 7x10 wipes for $15. So what the wipes are is a plush supersized wipe infused with juicy, good for you ingredients that glides onto skin, refreshing, soothing, and fully removing makeup. Highlighted ingredients are coconut water, aloe leaf extract, chamomile, and cucumber extracts. So it's free of sulfates, SLS and SLES, parabens, formaldehydes. Okay, that's cool. Both products are also vegan. So for the makeup spray, this one, what it is an epic continuous mist that slips over skin and instantly dissolves all makeup on contact without leaving skin feeling tight or dry. It's great for normal, dry, combination, and oily. Same thing with the wipes. Highlighted ingredients include jojoba and rosehip oil. It's also free of sulfates, from parabens, formaldehydes. Cool. So Patrick Starrr also came out with a palette as well as an eyeliner. I saw the palette and I was wildly disinterested in the palette. And I'll put a picture up probably like around here. It's a nice palette. It looks like a really great everyday palette, and it definitely would be useful for, say, you're someone who doesn't do a lot of super colorful looks. You know, you'd probably be into that. The palette also retails for $42. But me personally, I saw the palette and I was like, meh. Like, I can't see myself reaching for it very often. I already have a lot of palettes as it is, so I'm definitely not going to be buying that even for a Bopper Flop review, because I deadass be buying it to review it and then send it back. He also came out with a, what is this, an eyeliner, 2 eyeliners, and some eye toppers. So the one of the eyeliners is a felt tip pen and it's $19. The other one is a kohl pencil and that's $19. And I'm like, $19 for a felt tip pen and a kohl pencil eyeliner? Like, who ewit? And the eye topper is like $22. Yeah, no. Yeah, I decided to do this look. I wanted to film it, but once I got done with my face, I wanted to show you guys the eye portion. It got super dark because it is going to rain. It just hasn't just as yet. So all the clouds rolled in, and then by the time I finished my eyes and put my lashes on, they were gone. So I was like, wow. Of course. So yeah, I tried something different today, just a little different with my makeup. I put my blush higher up on my cheekbones, and I kind of feel like it gave me like a little bit of cheekbone. I don't have a lot because I have a very round face. I am round, so I don't have a lot of cheekbone, like defined cheekbone, but I kind of feel like it gave me a little bit of like cheekbone, and I like it. It's cute. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit and then start the process. Okay, so we're zoomed in a little bit. Let me take off my earrings. This is such a cute look. I will say this, like, glitterly obsessed. If you have hooded eyes and you wanna, like, you do get the little like pieces that are like hearts or whatever on your eye, don't put them near your crease, because once you lower your lid or when you relax your lid, it's just like they move all over the place because it takes a while for it to set. So yeah, you definitely have to do some maneuvering. I did on my, I like had to finagle it on my left eye because that was giving me the most trouble versus my right eye. But yeah, and I don't really know what the drying time is per se, but like I can't pinpoint it. But I guess I'll refilm this, and if you guys want, I'll refilm this eye look, and then that way I could show you guys. So I guess I'm gonna do just one side of my face with, look at this big ass freaking wipe. Ooh, it smells nice. This is like the size of my face. Look, okay, well, that's, you get a lot of wipes. So I'm gonna just go in with the wipes alone on the eyes. So I'm just kind of like rubbing gently. Okay. I like how I'm a derp and I went in with like the middle of the wipe instead of like a corner. Okay, that's all right. That all right. So let's see if I could just do a swipe. Okay, a swipe is not nearly as effective as what I was doing, which is where I was just like rubbing. Oh, I hope I can get all this glitter off of me, cause I ain't trying to find glitter all over me in like 2 days from now, which I probably will. See if this wipe can take off my eyebrow. Oh, okay. All right. Applying pretty light pressure, and with one swipe, one swipe took off a good chunk, and then 2-3 more swipes took off the rest. All right, let's try the mist. Okay, off the bat, this is significantly different than the Urban Decay Makeup Removing Mist. You are not supposed to spray that directly on your face. For that one, you needed to spray on something and then spray and then wipe your face with it. So normally what I used to do is I would spray it on my Neutrogena wipe and then I'd wipe my face with it. But this you can spray directly on your face. It is a super fine mist. This is such a fine mist. I could feel it. Like I could feel it like just cutting through my makeup. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. All right, okay, let's swipe. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, I'm gonna spray a little bit more mist to see if I can get the rest of this glitter off. Pick up one more wipe. So, wow, okay, let's break this down. So my face feels not like oily, but just moisturized. So it does do that. This can't stand up to glitter, like it really can't, because I've got glitter all over my face. You guys can't see this, but I can see this in the mirror, and it's driving me insane how much glitter I have on my face. And this is why I simultaneously hate and love glitter at the same time. But face feels moisturized, does not feel oily. The Neutrogena wipes typically leave my face feeling like an oily film is on it, and the same thing with the Urban Decay makeup dissolving mist. This is a mist. Actually, the Urban Decay is a makeup dissolving spray. This is a mist. This is the finest mist I think I have tried in anything. So it definitely, like I said, doesn't leave you feeling an oily like mess. You can literally, when you spray this on, feel it just melting your makeup off. It is insane. Just does it, dissolves it. Like when I looked in the mirror, I could see like where I had sprayed it, like over here where the makeup just kind of was melting down my neck a little bit, and I'm like, this just dissolved the makeup. Wow. It's actually very, like, how do I put this? It's not uncomfortable around the eyes, because I did spray it, of course, in the center mass of my face, so my eyes aren't burning. I am getting a little like blurriness, funny, because you know, I'm blinking and stuff like that, and I did get a little bit of it in my eyes. I'm wiping it off from like between the spray and the wipe, but it doesn't burn. If I got the Urban Decay makeup remover mist in my eye, this would burn. This is actually really comfortable around the eyes. The wipes are huge. I did use 2 because I was trying to get all this glitter off my face, but the second wipe, look how much makeup was, I wiped my whole face. Look how much was left on my face that I was able to get off with the second wipe. Okay, and that was front to back. And look at everything I got off with the first wipe that I used front to back. Like, I feel like I could probably still going. If I didn't have glitter on this, I would still be able to, you see all that glitter? This is when I first started with my eyes. These smell really nice. They smell like cucumber and aloe. This did take off a good chunk when I was rubbing my eye with it. Like, these are so big. And like I said, this is what was left over on my face. Like, I don't think there's much of anything. Like, I had a little fill on my nose. There's really not a lot of makeup itself on my face. Oh my goodness. This is actually, I'm pleasantly surprised. I thought this was kind of gonna be like gimmicky. I mean, not a lot of, like, it's really great on his first launch. The first thing he provided for the launch was a makeup remover wipe and dissolving spray, because most beauty gurus and companies right now, they're focusing on, you know, either they're doing a complexion product, they're doing an eyeshadow palette. Well, he did an eyeshadow palette too, but they're usually starting off with a makeup product that you put on your face, not something that you use to take off your makeup on your face. So this was actually a really inventive way to, you know, introduce himself to the world and introduce his brand to the world. This was actually a really good start for him, to start with a makeup remover, because not a lot of brands would think to do this. Not a lot of gurus would think to do this. And my face, like I said, it doesn't feel oily. It feels like really moisturized. It doesn't feel dry. Like, I'm so surprised. I'm actually like super surprised. I'm very pleasantly surprised. This is a little bit on the pricey side. Like I said, the larger size, the larger version of this is $24, and it's not super expensive in comparison to like the counterpart on the market, which is the Urban Decay one, and I'm not sure if there's any others out there, but I mean, to get this little size one for $18 is actually a really good bargain. And I'm so glad there was a mini. I'm so happy, because I feel like the average person who's not wearing makeup every day, and to use this is gonna be incredibly useful. I think this is gonna be useful for people like me who are doing makeup looks and filming and things like that. I like these wipes a lot. I like how big they are. I feel like for a makeup artist, these will be really useful if you're taking clients. I think a pack of 10 10 for someone who's wearing makeup every day might be a little ineffective in terms of how much use you're going to get out of them. I feel like for someone, even if you're wearing your makeup sparingly, then a pack of 10 should do you pretty well, or even the 21. The 10 would be where I'd aim first. If there's any products definitely that are new out there and you want to try, if it has a smaller size of it, buy the smaller size, so that way you're not buying the full size product. So definitely, if you're just wearing your regular beat, no glitter, this is going to take it all off with no problem. If you are wearing glitter, yes, it's going to take it off, but it is going to give you the same effect as anything else, which is that some of the glitter is going to be left behind, and you're still going to need to spend like an hour scrubbing your face, or more. You're still going to spend the next couple of days picking glitter from wherever. I feel like glitter is just so pretty, but so annoying. But yeah, these are both bops for me. I feel like this was a great introduction to the One Size Beauty brand. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like the name One Size Beauty. Like, I don't know how to describe it, because one size always reminds me of growing up, and even now in my adulthood, when a product says one size fits all, and that's a lie, a big lie. So I don't know, there's just something about the term one size that I'm always kind of I don't know what it is, but I understand, like, for him it's really about like the inclusion and beauty's for everybody and all of that jazz. So I understand it, it works for him, it fits his whole spiel and everything like that. I get that. The packaging is very nice, it's very simple, which usually means it's more cost effective. I like that he did makeup remover products prior to then talking about bringing out actual like makeup. I kind of wish he kind of just stayed in the realm of makeup removers, but I understand there's only so far you can go from a dissolving mist and makeup wipes. I understand there's not a lot of directions you can go from that. The most exciting products in this exciting products right now about his brand for me are the makeup removing products. I don't really care too much about the palette or the eyeliners or the glitter topper. Yeah, I don't really care about those too much, but these right here are actually really good and I like them a lot. My face feels really good, my face doesn't feel itchy, I'm not seeing any tiny little bumps, because sometimes when you use something and it immediately irritates your skin, you start to see tiny little bumps pop on your face. I'm not seeing those, so obviously my skin for right now at least seems to be pretty happy and pretty agreeable about this. So yeah, I like it. This is good. Both items are a bot for me. In terms of repurchase, I'll definitely repurchase the dissolving mist and probably not the wipes, because it's 10 wipes for $8, which is not too bad, and I can't see myself spending $15 on makeup wipes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, to get the 21 wipes. But the dissolving mist for this size for $18 is actually really good. So yeah, I'll definitely do that. I'm thinking about getting a makeup eraser, like those little makeup eraser like washable rags or whatever, and then I would just use that with the mist, and yeah, that'd be good. But yeah, that is it for today's bop or flop review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, your girl is uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesdays at 7 p. EST and Saturdays at 3:30 p. EST. Just hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified. I like how I said just hit the bell down below. I'm sorry, y'all. Make sure to hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever your girl uploads, and then there won't be any guesswork. This past week, last week, I uploaded late Thursday evening because that video was not going to get done in time by Wednesday, especially considering I came home late Tuesday night from my birthday, and then I still had stuff from my birthday spilling over into Wednesday that I was doing. So yeah, Wednesday was just not the day, and then Thursday last week was just a jumble of, I don't know. At least Saturday's video went up on time, and if you hit the bell down below, then you'll know it's up on time. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.